Hi everyone. I just take the opportunity to say to everyone here in NURIDENT Clinic, thank you so very much. Now I can smile as you see perfectly, and actually I have experience before in 2018 with Dr. NURIDENT. I came here after many hassles in France and everywhere to try to fix my upper teeth, and it was very uncomfortable. Then Dr. Nerido told me that there is a new process with the basal implants that are longer than the normal one, and it's a new Swiss technology. So I did the upper teeth implants in 2018. So it works perfectly. Then in 2023, I decided to do again the lower side. So I came in July. They remove all the teeth and everything, and they put the implants, and they put the temporary one. And he asked me to come back like 3-4 months after that, but I decided to delay a little bit to keep, the implants and all the, to without resorption. And now I came in January to install the last one, the definitive one. And as you see, all natural. And actually, I'm more than happy. And I would like to thank all the team from Dr. Nouri, but all the drivers, they came to take you from the airport, and drive to the airport. When you finish, take you from the hotel for all the appointments. And everything is very quick, when you come here, you go to X-ray, it's very smooth, and the doctor are very kind. They are listening to you, and it's very important if you feel something to say to the doctor. When you put the last installation, how you feel, because you are so happy that you want to go out of the cabinet, but you have to talk to the doctor before they fix definitely everything. So you feel comfortable when you talk, when you eat, because they install to you, and the next day, the last day, you have to come back for a control. And during that control, it's very important to say to the doctor what you are feeling, if you are comfortable or not. Don't be shy. You have to be clear to the doctor, because they fix everything, no problem. But the things, if you have to talk, you have to say what you are feeling when you're eating, because the last day you can eat a little bit, smooth things and very light, and you have to say how you feel it. They will fix everything, because if you go out from here after 1 month and everything, maybe sometimes it's too late to fix. You have to do more jobs. So it's good to say to the doctor, and they propose to you everything. If you want to go to a hotel, they are doing good price with the NURIDENT Clinic, or you are free to choose your hotel. And I would like again to say to everyone, thank you very much. I'm very happy, and now I can smile. And actually, I am 60, maybe I don't look 60 years old, but I became more younger than I look with that marvelous. Thank you very much.